Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 3:30 a.m. At 2:27 a.m., a limit of severe thunderstorms was located from Dixon to Lamoille, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds are moving through Lee County. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Rochelle, Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Shabbona, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Hinkley, Somernock, Earlville, Waterman, Hillcrest, Maple Park, Malta, Serena, Leland, Paw Paw, and Millington. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 68 and 105. Interstate 88 between mile markers 70 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm